Hey there, I'm Brianna with WTI, and I want to show you my amazing Poesie laundry sheets. So if you are looking for a better way to wash your clothes without taking up a bunch of space with big giant plastic bottles, try out these amazing laundry sheets. So these come with 160 sheets. They are totally biodegradable, including the packaging is also biodegradable. They are fragrance free and they don't have all of the chemicals that a lot of other detergents have. It also has this cute little drawer design, so you can just pull them out of here.
As far as dosage, you want to use 1 to 2 sheets depending on if it's a small or medium load. I really love this space-saving design. You can see this box of laundry sheets against all of the other detergent bottles and containers I have. It saves me so much space. I also like to use these with hot or warm water. Since they have coconut oil in them, I find that they dissolve better when they're in warm or hot water.
You put these sheets completely in contact with water. So I like to add them in once my drum is filled with water for washing. And it's also good to separate the sheets, so don't maybe put a stack of sheets together. They may not dissolve as well. So just separate them. I highly recommend these laundry detergent sheets by Poesie. You get so many of them, 160, fragrance free, and these are gonna last you a long time and not take up a lot of space. So you just can't beat these. I really am happy with them, and that's my point of view.